Hey guys and girls, I am going to demonstrate how to create a layered image in Google Drawings using Pixlr for an editing tool. So the first thing you want to do is open up a new window, and I want you to go to your Google Drive. And from your Google Drive, I want you to open a new drawing. So you're going to go to Open, down to More, and go to Google Drawings. From here, be sure to title your drawing with your name and class code, okay? Remember that we're thinking in layers. We had that conversation about a pizza, and the first layer is the crust. So right now, I want you to think about what your background image is going to be. And remember this icon with the little mountains? If you click on that icon, it gives you an option to choose an image. We want to search the web. Unless you have something saved to your computer, then you would go to upload, okay? So we're going to go to the web, and I'm going to just search forest for my background. And from here, choose the image that you like and hit select. And that'll upload automatically into your page. Grab a corner to fit the image on your page. Do not grab these little blue boxes on the sides, because that's just going to stretch out your picture and distort it. So grab it from the corners and stretch it until it fits into that box, okay? And now click outside of the image so you get rid of these little blue boxes and this line here. That means it's selected. We don't want to select it anymore, okay? All right, now we want to put an image on top of this. Now we're going to start layering like a pizza. So now we're talking sauce, okay? So we are going to search an image that you want to layer. I'm going to open up another tab, and I'm going to search apple. And I'm going to go to images. And when you are searching, always search for large images to ensure that you get a clear image. So go to Tools and go to Size, and be sure to search for large images. Choose the image that you like. View image. Whoop, that's blocked. You can take a screenshot from this spot if it doesn't allow you to view the image, okay? You would take a screenshot from the next stage anyway, okay? So I'm gonna take a screenshot just of what I need. I don't need all the extra background. And that'll automatically save to your computer, okay? So now I want you to open up a new tab, and you're gonna go to Pixlr.com, Pixlr.com. And once this loads up, you're going to scroll down, and it's going to give you a choice between the Pixlr Editor and the Pixlr Express. I want you to launch the web app for the Pixlr Editor. And now we are going to open an image from our computer. We're going to open up that image of the apple. Of course, your image might not be an apple. So from there, I'm going to look for my screenshot of my apple and open it up. And here it is. I'm going to just open this up a little bit so I have a little more room. I want to erase this background, okay? The first thing I want to do is make sure I'm on the correct tool. You want to be on this Move tool, okay? So click on the Move tool, and then you're going to come over to this area here. If you don't have your layers showing on the right side, then go to View and make sure you have layers clicked. You need to click on this word background, okay? Double click on the word background, and I want you to call it layer 0. This allows us to unlock the background. See this little guy? Double click to unlock that layer, okay? So once you have layer 0 and you have a check mark in that black box, you're good to go. Now you have a couple of choices for erasing. Simple eraser tool works really well for erasing. If you click on that, once you start erasing, you can see this checkerboard background. That checkerboard background means you have a transparent background, okay? Try to work as slowly as you can. You can also change the size of the eraser that you're working with, okay? Then remember that you also have an option of this lasso tool. And this lasso tool allows you to select a large area of the background by tracing it all the way back to the start. And then when you let go, do you see all those little marching ants? Hit the backspace and it's deleted, okay? You've got to get rid of all of those little marching ants, so you have to deselect it. So you are going to hit Control D to deselect. Now that we have a blank background, let's save our image. File, save. Be sure that the format says PNG. Do not change this format. Let's call it Apple NB for no background so I don't get confused. And I'm going to save it to my computer. It should automatically be in there for you. Okay. Now I'm going to skip back over to my Google Drawings tab. And from here, I'm going to go back to my icon of the image. But now I want to upload the image. I don't want to search the web because I have an image on my computer. I'm going to choose my image to upload, and I called my image Apple NB for no background. And I'm going to open that up. And now it's going to layer it right on top of my work. And from here, you can change the size of this apple. You can even copy and paste this image as many times as you want or need. So Pixlr is a tool that you can use to erase backgrounds to create your layered image. You can also search for PNGs. You created a PNG. A PNG is an image without a background. But you can also create, or you can also search for them, but it's kind of hit or miss, okay? So let's just say, for example, I go back in, I do a search for Apple PNG. You might get some options here, but remember, anybody can put anything on the web, and sometimes they're not truthful with what they put on the web. So if I choose this apple and hit select, and here it comes slowly. Ooh, lucky duck. I actually have found a PNG with no background. I'm going to go and try that again just to see if I can find, so this one says it's a PNG. Let's see if that's truthful. Ooh, all the apples are so far truthful PNGs. But you can see that this one has a background. Let's try this one. Well, I'm going to have an entire bushel of apples going on here. So this is the most luck I've ever had with PNGs. Sometimes when I search a PNG, it will have a white background, okay? So good luck. You are welcome to search PNG images, okay? I'm trying to see how many of these I can actually find. But if you don't get any PNGs that you want to use, then you can go ahead and use Pixlr as an editing tool. Okay, so remember that you are creating a creature that is made of food items, any type of food items you choose. Remember to find the background first and use Pixlr if you need to. Use Pixlr if you need to get rid of any type of background, okay? So far, I'm having great luck with apples. So if anybody's looking for apple PNGs, you have lots of choices. All right, guys and girls, have fun.